Hi, welcome to our screencast looking at how to blog using the OACAC website. So this is what the front page of the OACAC website looks like. I think it's important to understand that when you tag things, as you can see here, these are the categories. If you do that, then these tags will show up and automatically place your posting on the front page. Otherwise, it may not get posted. So try and remember that. There are pages in each of these areas up above here that you can create content for. Just let me know if you want to do that. I've already started creating content for this, but basically Peter and I will be handling a big chunk of the jobs. Peter will be dealing with membership. The about will probably stay pretty static. I would think the library I'm adding to, Sherry, this really is your baby and you and I will contribute. And then the links is going to be a big thing, and then David and I are putting stuff in there, so lots of stuff going on. So what you got to do is go to your toolbar and you're going to type in the address, but you need to do the new.oacac.com, and you want to add in WordPress login, WordPress admin, excuse me. So that's what it should look like. http / new.oacac.com / WordPress admin. You'll get a dialog box like this. You put your username in, and most of you it's just your first name. You enter your password and then you click on login, and what's going to happen is it's going to open up and give you what's called the dashboard, as you can see here. I have blinding fast speed. Now the dashboard has a bunch of stuff, but basically if you stick to the orange bar, write a new page or write a new post. We're almost always going to use write a new post. You click on that and it's going to look sort of like a Word dialog box that you would write an email in Hotmail or Google or whatever. There's two settings, visual or HTML. Switch it over to visual so that you can just use the editor. The what you see is what you get. So then you would type a name for this this presentation, and we're going to call it screencast, how to blog. And today I recorded a screen cast for the board members on how to use WordPress to blog. You can see the results at www.oacac.com. Now, this is kind of cumbersome to type like that, so what you can do is we're going to copy this, we're going to remove this, so I'm going to do a Control X, so that's saved it to the clipboard, and I'm going to type in here, and I'm going to highlight here, and I'm going to hyperlink it. So that's that little chain there. If we click on that, it's going to give us a little dialog box, and suddenly we have a hyperlink. As you can see, it's gone kind of that bluish color. If you click on the HTML, you can see that it puts the coding in. You don't need to worry about that. I just stay with the visual most of the time. Now maybe I want to emphasize the screencast, so I'm going to put a bold on it. There are many great websites to help. So I might say UTech tips, WordPress. Now what I want to do is actually let's put Life Hacker. So I've got 3 sites lined up. I'm going to make these bulleted like this. I'm going to click on each one and I'm going to add a hyperlink. Now I can type this in manually, www.utechtips.com, and I insert that. See how it changes? Now I can also do this. You know, I can www.wordpress.org, and then I can just copy that. You'll see that that opens up, but I've just copied it, so I'm going to put that over here. Again, I'm going to hyperlink that because that's Oh, undo. Let's go back and copy it. Guess I jumped the gun. Boom. WordPress, nice job. And let's get Lifehacker that way. These are all websites that have good good content for dealing with technology type things. So I quite like them. And boom. Now really, that the blog, the beauty of it is to keep information relevant and keep it linked. So as you scroll down, you can see there's a save thing. It automatically saves it every so often anyway, so you don't have to worry about it. Tags, you know, like if we wanted to use tags, we could. I might call this oops, it went back to save it. I shouldn't have pressed save. Look at that, it just slows it all down. For some reason it went back to the HTML. I'm going to go back to the visual. So now you need to create a category. If you don't create a category, it won't get published. I'm going to tick it on latest news, and I'm also going to put it in the library category because this is sort of a living document. Now you can see that that's pretty straightforward. If you look down here, it actually has the post author. There's some other things, but I wouldn't worry about them. The category is the key thing. Now we're going to press publish, and it's going to automatically, oh, it failed. Let's try again. Strange. Probably something to do with our internet, I think. Oh dear. Now what do? It's completely disappeared. So what we're going to do is go manage, because it should have saved a draft. There's 3 drafts, so let's check that out. In the draft, I go manage drafts, screencast, how to blog. It's unpublished, so I click on it. Okay, all the stuff's still there. The library one got lost. I don't know why. Strange. Now let's try and publish. Is it gonna work? This is live, folks. Oh, there we go. Now there's a view site up here, so we can see anything that we do. Let's see if it showed up on the front page. Look at that. It's right there. Latest news, screencast, how to blog. It has the tags. I don't know if it automatically places in the library document. No, it doesn't. That's curious, but I'll figure that out. I wouldn't worry too much about it. Again, just back at our home there. Now, next episode, I'm going to show you how to embed video, and the video we'll be embedding is this one, and we're going to show you how to go back with a post you've already made. But that's it for now.